Police in St. Louis issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lincoln County, central Warren County, until 9 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Big Spring, or 8 miles north of Herman, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jonesburg around 8:35 p.m. Warrenton around 8:40 p.m. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 188 and 193. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for a portion of east central Missouri.